Mwanangu TV.
Use your words, Mwanangu. Expressing feelings with words instead of tantrums or hitting. Kana watsamwa, and you don't know what to do. When your temper feels like rising, usakanganwe. Take a breath, take your time, let the feelings pass on through. And say the words inside your heart, the words that live in you. Use your words, Mwanangu. Say how you feel, be who you are. You don't need to stomp or shout, there's a better way to let it out. Saying da ka samwa, say da ka suwa, say handi zivi. Use your words, Mwanangu. The world is listening to you. If your friend plays rough or loud, or takes your toy and runs, you can stop and stand your ground. You don't have to come undone. You've got courage in your chest, you've got kindness in your heart. You've got words that shine like stars, lighting up the land. Use your